Hi, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to tab a second line on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use. And of course, once you did that, just go to the URL section and just type Google Docs. Hit the enter button, that will take you into this page. And of course, from that page, you will need to click at the first link, make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. You'll notice button an icon here. This will actually take you into this page, and from that page you'll need to click at sign in option to log in into your account if you already have one. If you don't have one, you will be able to click at here to sign in for free or to create your account. Once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to actually tab second line. So of course, if first of all we would like to open a page for us or a document for us, we would like here to open a blank document, open a recent document, or just open some of your actually templates right here. So for me, I'm just going to open a recent document, which is actually empty. And as we said again, we would like to tab a second line. So let's just start here by writing like stuff. Let's just not care what we actually writing. And so of course here all we need to do is just highlight the word or whatever we would like to tab are the second line. Let's just highlight all of this as an example. And now we would like to go to the format menu here, and now we would like to select align and indent, sorry, which is this one. So now you would like to click at the indentation option, and now in the window that opens, all you need to do is just enter this special or this special indent. Just select hanging, and now you can actually like choose with how much. So this is an example with just 0.2, and click at apply. And for you will not notice any difference because it's actually kind of the same, but of course if you have like here a lot of things, you will certainly notice that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.